Then take a look at the NEEWER QPRO-C. So the C on this stands for Canon. So that means if you're going to be running a Canon camera, this is the one that you want. If it's a QPRO-N, that'll be for Nikon. And then I believe it's a QPRO-S for Sony. Very nice. So you can see on the bottom, we got our standard hot shoe mount. We also have a quarter twist lock. I love seeing these. These are much nicer, just quicker. Like, it feels more premium than a standard twist down lock. It does have a button right here. So when you get it locked, press the button, and that'll unlock it. One thing I really like about this particular model is that this scroll wheel is actually a little bit on the side instead of right in the middle. So when I got this mounted to a camera, I'm going to have my right hand on the camera. My left hand, I'm going to be able to move it just like this instead of having my finger like in the way. So this is a nice design. I like seeing that. We also have our groups here on the side. It goes A through E. We got a back button. We got our quick buttons, mode, menu, and test. Here on the side, we got our ports. We got our USB-C and quick sync. Then on the right, we got power on and off. And we got the backlight for the display on and off. And on the bottom, we got our battery compartment. And that is 2 AA's. We also got a nice thick instruction manual. Turn that on, turning this on. So my flash is on channel 2 and it's on master, so I need to set that to slave. And we are channel A. This is on channel 1, so I need to set that just by holding the channel hotkey. And then I can select channel 2. Because this actually has a modeling light, I can turn that on. You can see the modeling light turned on. Turn that off. Kind of hard to see in this light. A little bit easier to see. And then if I hit the flash, just like that. It's a very nice, very easy remote. I just mount this on the camera instead of using the test button. Actually use that to take a picture. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice setup.